Hello, explorers! Today we are visiting Silver Springs. Silver Springs is known for their famous glass-bottom boat, and not to mention their beautiful clear waters. Oh, and did I mention Silver Springs has wild monkeys? These are rhesus macaque monkeys. They are invasive, but they are native to South and Southeast Asia. You can usually find them in the trees, walking around, or kayaking down the beautiful spring. Silver Springs is known for its beautiful wildlife. You are about to see the most beautiful creatures. They have wild birds, turtles, alligators, even manatees. We did not get to see them today though, but we saw so many different varieties of birds, even fish. It was such a beautiful place to experience. This is the perfect place to bring the family, and kids would enjoy and learn so much from the wildlife here. For example, this is a black anhinga bird. They spread their wings out to dry. This regulates their body temperatures. Silver Springs truly is one of the best places to spot turtles, alligators, all types of animals. Truly a bird's paradise. Thank you for joining us. Seek Wild.